Hello traders, we're preparing for oil news in 14 minutes. Expectations 1.5 ME, anything above is a bearish news, is oversupply, anything below is a bullish news, is undersupply. We already had fantastic, amazing and spectacular morning with Dow. A lot of excitement on Dow, as you can see, students posting in the room. 20 points, 17 points, 15 points, and this is extremely important moment. As Robert states, I'm really taking what you said yesterday seriously. Only one instrument for live trading. Do what hedge fund traders do. Oil traders do not trade S&P. Correct? Gold traders do not trade S&P or oil. So if you're grabbing everything, if you have multiple instruments, that's one of the reasons you are struggling. So pretty please, concentrate and focus on one instrument. So pretty please, do not spend more than 2 hours in front of the screen. Do not spend more than 10 hours a week at your computer. If you are a quality trader, you never need more. As you saw this morning, brilliant traders were done less than 30 minutes after market open. 31, 36 minutes after market open. If you add the lot size to your trade, you do not need many trades. So let's take a look on oil and what to expect. Before oil news, as Alpha Fibonacci method identifies everything before major news, independent of major news. So this is a day trading chart on oil that's been present in the trading room for the last 2 months. For the last 2 months, since September, multiple times oil came out with extremely bullish news, but oil collapsed, crashed and burned for hundreds of ticks, 1,000 ticks, despite bullish news. But when oil reaches ultimate Alpha Fibonacci bottom, as you saw played out on Dow this morning, this is a place to buy, despite multiple bearish news. So where is oil right now before bullish news on November 6th? Chart present in front of you since early September. Bullish rally on oil overextended traders. Brilliant trader understands that powerful pullback is crucial. Buyers fully in charge on oil. In the next 2 minutes, I will identify what to expect to the tick before oil news. Watch carefully. So ladies and gentlemen, before oil news, we're at crucial day trading resistance. This is major problem. Brilliant trader knows powerful pullback is a key, so if price collapsing as low as possible, it's a good news. Oil, however, has plenty of space to reversal zone, but this level is a problem. No matter how spectacular and bullish news, brilliant trader would never buy into this Alpha Fibonacci resistance. Again, plenty of space to the upside, but this is a problem. Before oil news, I'm converting this chart to 1. Again, buyers fully in charge on day trading chart, but this is a major problem, as it was key target on Dow, this level. Do you remember that? So if you adding to your probability, you're paying attention to institutional charts. This is institutional bottom, present in the room for many months. On institutional chart, buyers continue defending critical support, critical bottom. Buyers continue picking up this steam. The only thing that's left to break through is this resistance. This is your channel before oil news. So, if oil, the first 5 minutes, chopping completely between these levels, you are not surprised. What would be ideal before the news? Would be ideal if oil would collapse to this support as low as possible, and after bullish news oil would skyrocket. Day trading rally overextended, no matter what chart you trade. And if I convert this chart to 5, 15 to 10, identical formula remains. By the bottom, not into Alpha Fibonacci resistance. Clear on that? So those of you who've been following me for many months, you are not surprised. You know, this been institutional bottom. Not now. Now, on day trading chart, oil pretty high. Powerful pullback is crucial. Buyers remain fully in charge. So if you're understanding what institutions do and you're trading with institutions, you look to buy pullbacks. You're clear on that. You're clear that every single time bearish news came out, oil continued rallying because Alpha Fibonacci bottom is present, as you saw on Dow this morning. Let me remind you what played out. This was a stunning and beautiful long on Dow from ultimate bottom, not the place to short near. So if you missed the previous video from today, please view. As Dow also reminding you, if you choose not to exit your trade before oil news, you're in a lot of pain. As this was flawless place to exit long on Dow, not to remain in pain. And that's identical bottom on Dow, and that's identical bottom on S&P, and that's identical bottom on oil. Institutional chart, no surprise, where buyers been coming from. But at the time of oil news, this is critical resistance, plenty of space further to the upside. Powerful pullback is crucial. Without powerful pullback, if you choose to buy oil randomly, oil will remind you of a lot of pain. This is your range before oil news. Buyers fully in charge. So if oil remains this high, this is your critical range before oil news. Oil news at any moment, traders. Again, very narrow range on oil news before oil news. This is critical support, this is critical resistance. Very narrow, oil very high. Ideally, we would like for oil to crash to here. Because if you're looking to buy, which is what institutions do on oil, you want to buy as low as possible. Correct? Oil extremely high on day trading chart, identified months in advance. Boom! Flawless. We have no idea what oil news are. Finally, oil news is out. Extremely bearish news, horrific oversupply on oil. Oil news completely opposite than any other news. More positive the number, more bearish the news. We agree? So, oil gave us everything we wanted. Oil gave us crucial support. Those of you who missed the events of this morning, this was starting long on Dow, yes? This is what happens to a trader who does not exit long. Nothing good is possible. What does the scanner do right now? Giving me massive numbers of short alerts. So we're extremely clear that this is crucial Alpha Fibonacci support, yes? Crucial. We were extremely clear that this is not the place to buy oil, correct? That bullish rally on oil extremely overextended. This level is a key. Is anyone surprised at oil rallying? From Alpha Fibonacci support, we have horrific bearish news. How is that possible? Simple. Market is flawless Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. Alpha Fibonacci Trading System identified this support months in advance. It is rallying on every single chart. It is that simple because institutions buying institutional bottom as identified many months in advance. So it doesn't matter if you trade 5 minutes on oil, doesn't matter if you trade 3 minutes on oil, 15, 20, any chart. We knew that this is not the place to short into. This is a place to buy months in advance. And if I convert this chart to 5, identical formula remains. Stunning and flawless opportunity to buy. We knew that before oil news. How many points is oil already up? 30 plus. What is the key? This level. After this level. Identified since September. Let me remind you, if you missed all prior weeks and months. If I convert this chart to 15, shock or not, this been ultimate bottom. You can pull up all the news on oil, multiple time bearish, but oil is rallying from ultimate bottom. And if I convert this chart to hourly, it is extremely clear. Ultimate bottom is a place to buy. Now oil is high. So oil giving you a gift and collapsing to this support, it's a beautiful news. Look to buy. Again, back to 5. We knew that horrific bearish news does not mean a thing. We knew that institutions continue buying oil, left and right. And that's the power of the method. As you saw on Dow this morning, as you saw on Tesla, on Pound, on Apple, on Amazon, on anything you choose to trade. Ultimate precision, ultimate accuracy, stress-free trading. So we knew that this level is crucial, yes? Oil taking a pause on any chart you choose to trade. So Gary's trading oil via options from 55, which is a brilliant place to buy. Correct? So is everyone witnessing again and again stunning reminder of crucial resistance? Is anyone surprised? All identified weeks and months in advance. And again and again and again. Let's go back to 1. Shock or not. Stunning and flawless price action dance. Before and after oil news. So when Gary accomplishes this much, from long option from 55, that's a brilliant thing to do. All you need to know where to enter and where to exit. You cannot speculate. Never, ever, ever. Long from 55 is a brilliant thing to do. So if you witnessed how crucial this target is on Dow, on S&P for the last few days, for many months, this is institutional bottom on oil, and this is crucial resistance now. institutions continue buying, not shorting oil from ultimate bottom. And that's the power of the method. And that's what brilliant trader does. You do not have to day trade. You can utilize the method however you wish. Choice is yours. What you trade and how. So if you would like to trade on any instrument, any time frame, any platform you choose, I look forward working with you. If you would like to understand and trade with power of pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits on any instrument, any time frame, any platform, simply review the information on the website and choose from live recorded classes, 12 weeks in group, 6 months in private mentoring. Any questions? First, look at what students do on the students' reviews. Listen to students' podcasts, view videos, and read what students have to say. Any other questions, view the webinar. And if you would like to speak to me, simply call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you.